welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherelle and today I have this absolutely gorgeous unit to share with you guys. It's from UNiceHair. It is a V-part wig, which means we have no leave out whatsoever. And girl, look how natural and gorgeous this looks. I can't wait to share all this information with you guys, so stay tuned. So as I said before, this unit is by UNiceHair. It is in Jerry curl and the length is in 22 inches. And of course, this beautiful hair comes with the box. We also got a headband to help style our edges. This also has the gorgeous Unice logo on it. We got some spare combs for security. We got some cute little pink nails to go with all the rest of the pink branding. We also got 2 free wig caps, which we will not be using in this video, and we also got a dust bag. Inside this dust bag contains the unit we'll be wearing today. For cap construction, this is one of the most secure units I've ever seen in my life, and adjustable at that. So we have 5 clips around the parting, 2 on each side of the V and 1 at the back. We have a comb on each side for extra security, a pull string just in case the unit is a little bit big and so you can adjust it and make it tighter. And we also have a strap which is adjustable and removable. And we also have silicone tabs at the back for even more security, and a comb. This is literally the most secure unit I've ever seen in my life. Just in case you haven't seen a V-part before, this is what it looks like up close. And the first thing you need to do is go ahead and cut the tabs off. So just take some scissors and cut off those pieces that are attaching them together. And here is what it looks like after. And you can really see why we are not going to need any leave out with this unit. Now to install it is extremely simple. All you need to do is create a parting of where you want the unit to lie, and what I do is I unclip the clips just so that it's a lot easier to adjust, and literally just flip the wig on your head. This is the only part that I would say needs a little bit of adjusting every single time you put it on. You want to make sure that those clips are very secure and that they're in place and in line with your own parting, which takes all of about 2 minutes. So what I like to do is to start with the front one and then work my way to the back. The first side is always really easy to do to get right on that parting line, but with the second one you may have to adjust a few times to get it correct. But I've done this so many times that I am an expert and I got it right the first time. Once the clips around the V part is done, I then like to use the combs on the side for the added security that is in this unit. So I make sure that those combs are slid into my own hair. A really good rule of thumb as well is to make sure that the combs are not too tight. And as per usual, I'm going to go in with my signature cut, just adding some natural layers to make the hair look natural and give a tapered look rather than that fresh out the box look. So I start from about 1 inch below my chin and I work my way down. I then take a chunk from the side part and I also start just below my chin and work my way down. That's normally where I start my guide. That's normally the layers that fit and suit my face best. And because the hair is curly, it doesn't need to be perfect, but a little does go a long way when trimming these hair extensions. Then I go ahead and take about 1/2 inch off the end, just to make the hair look a little bit fuller. And then by the kitchen area, I do the same thing, start from my chin and work my way down. And as you can see, that creates such a nice natural tapered look. Even though the hair does look gorgeous fresh out the box, I always like putting just a tiny bit of love and attention into the hair, which makes a huge difference in the appearance of the unit. And here is what it looks like. I was really happy with the layers that I did. It took me all of about 5 minutes. Now it's time to go ahead and fix up this V part. As you can see right now, it looks gorgeous, but we are going to make it look even better. So I'm starting off with a little bit of hairspray, and then I take a rat tail comb, I part down the side of the middle part, and then I start back combing. This is what is going to cover the knots a little bit. And of course I do this on both sides. Next I'm going in with Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. If you're not straight to my channel, I use this conditioner on my own hair, on my hair extensions. It is a little bit pricey, but it works wonders, especially on curly hair extensions, and a little really does go a long way. The hair was really good at absorbing the moisture of the leave-in conditioner. Usually when I try a lot of curly hair extensions from other companies, I have to try so many different products. So I was really happy when I put this product in and the hair just absorbed it, lapped up, and looked absolutely gorgeous. Those curls are shiny, bouncy, and look incredibly hydrated. And this is what the finished look looked like. You guys, I struggled to put content together because this unit was so easy to style. I absolutely love this hair. All the information on this unit will be down in the description box below. And I would love to know your opinion on V-part wigs, because as you can see by my channel, I am obsessed with them. They're so easy to install and it saves you so much more time than faffing around with lace and got to be spray. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!